Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to look how can we pass some data from our roots file to the template HTML files. Actually, in this video series, we are using Handlebar templating engine for our Express application. So you can see the homepage of our application, which has a title called Express and some content, welcome to Express. So how this data comes to this page in our application, that we are going to look at now. And at the index file, roots index file, you can see the root slash, we are passing some values here. You can see resource.render, which is a function used to render an HTML file. It has basically two parameters, and the first parameter is the name of our template file, and here it is given as index, and which will be loaded from views index.hps, as we are using handlebars as our templating engine. And the second parameter is the data that we need to pass from our root to the HTML part. Here we are passing title as express, and let me pass one more variable. Here we are passing name equal to some name, and it's a JavaScript object actually. And here we are using nodemon so that this npm is very useful. It is used to automatically reboot the server when there is a change in our code, so that we don't have to do the server restart every time we change the code. And here you can see we are passing two variables here, which is title and name. And when you pass this data as an object at your HTML template file, these variables will be available so that we can print those values. So here you can see the index.sbs, and this is actually the syntax for the handlebar templating engine that you can just see here. This is the official documentation of handlebars. Here in order to print a variable, you can use a double curly bracket and just use the name of that variable. Actually we will cover more about handlebars in the upcoming videos, but this is how basically you can print a variable. Actually we use templating engines because while developing web applications there are a lot of security concerns, and usually templating engines by default handle all those security concerns, and it is very easy to write the HTML part if you use some templating engines. And handlebar is very one of the very popular templating engines. So here we can print a variable using this syntax. So now we are passing these two data, and here we are printing this title here. So we can print the name as well, because now we are passing the name parameter as well from our template root file. So this some name will be available here as a name variable. So let's see this whether it is working. And if you reload this page, you can see name is some name. So this is how basically you pass some data from your code to the templating engine or the view part. Actual application, in actual applications, all this data will be coming from mostly from the database, and we will be connecting to the database in later videos. So this is how you print a basic data. In the upcoming videos we will see how can you print a array or display a table by passing the data to the templating view part. So this is how you just pass a basic variable with a single value to the handlebars template, and we will cover more of these things in the upcoming videos, and see you later.